Welcome in and thanks for joining today's Stream Elements. Welcome in and thanks for joining today, Roy Lisi. Welcome in and thanks for joining today, Rugmat. Welcome in and thanks for joining today, SC_May_I. An ad is about to start in 5,000 milliseconds. Welcome in and thanks for joining today, Clark Eobot. There's an ad running for 180.
Hello, hello. How are we doing today on this fine Friday, folks? Yeah. Oh, yes. The question is, are you ready to dance? All right. Let's get ready to dance. What is with the camera? It's like janky.
Welcome in and thanks for joining today, Clarkio.
Hello.
And thanks for joining today, Freakberg.
Oh, Freakberg, you just missed it. Yeah, why is it? It's like kind of like a little jittery. It's not as smooth of a camera shot. I don't know. It is what it is. I don't really care. Honestly, I'm a little bit in lacking of motivation to stream today. It's just one of those days. So I didn't know what I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I'm just kind of off a little bit. Not in like a bad way necessarily or anything like that, but I'm just off, you know. And but I'm glad you're all here. I sucked it up and I said I'm gonna still stream. So we're here. Did my stream freeze? My title certainly shows that I don't know what I'm gonna do. Yeah. JavaScript, TypeScript, Node.js development. Duh. What else? Did my internet go out? No. We're live, right? We're good. Yeah. What's going on here? It's just my laptop here. Happy Friday, everybody. Good to see you. Welcome into the Clarkio Shenanigans Show. I'm your host, Clarkio. I'm right here, live on Twitch every Friday, usually starting at 12:30 p.m. Eastern Time, and on YouTube, youtube.com/Clarkio. All right, there we go. Now we're rocking and rolling. Not worried at all. Goo and Chi, they say. Your title certainly shows it. Gucci. It's all Gucci. I wonder how you're not worried you'd get banned, Rugmat. Does Twitch not ban? Why would he get banned? You'd keep just missing the dance, Frackberg. Yeah, sorry about that. Hey, shout out to you, Frackberg, man. Glad to see you still streaming. Working on your health. Biking with the fam. All that good stuff. Congrats, my man. Congrats. We're gonna get going with the usual agenda, okay? If you're new here, you've never seen the stream before, what can you expect? Well, one, awkwardness in my dance at the beginning, the intro dance, but two, the regular flow is we just chat for a little bit, talk about each other's wins of the week and celebrate them together. Then we get into some word games like Wordle, words on stream, and all that goodness. And after that, we get into a technical topic. And usually I have an idea of what I'm going to do for a technical topic, but I'm not sure today. There's two things on my mind in this regard, okay? And you all, as we get through it, maybe you can help guide me, or I'll just come up with whatever itches the most, or whatever I have an itch for the most. The two things that I have in mind are I need to work on my cleaning up my chatbot in the sense of like a lot of it I'm not using anymore, so we can kind of remove it. And the other idea is to work on and go back to VS Code extension development, which we were working on for quite a bit. Yes. Lunch? Okay, hold on. Guess what I got for lunch today, chat? You should be able to tell without wrong chat. No worries, man. Now my mouth's watering. If you don't know, because you don't live in the United States. This is Chick-fil-A fast food. That looks clean. It's a chicken sandwich with cheese on it and waffle fries. Not worried at all for sending so many emotes. Yeah, you're good. I'm not gonna ban you, Rugmat, for that. The way he spams the chats on such occasions, I mean, they fit in, but does Twitch not ban? No, Twitch won't ban you for that unless I have like a specific rules in my auto moderation settings to do that, but I don't. Some channels do, because like if people, well, so here's the thing, like you said, Roy, Rugmat was doing that in the right context, in the sense of, we're doing the dance. I expect you all to kind of, if you want to, I expect that to happen, where you spam a bunch of emotes while we're dancing as your way of dancing along virtually with me, type of thing, you know? So that's why I allow it, for one. And two, I don't mind it even outside that context, right? But some streamers don't want that, right? Because then it just eats up all the chat and like takes away from maybe a conversation that's going on. People use it as a means to just troll. So. Oh. Twitch destroying your account? No, I don't think so. You forgot to dance? No worries, May. So that's what we have in store for today. Okay, I guess when we get to the technical portion or segment of the show, I'll just figure it out then. So chat, what's your wins of the week? What do you got for me? Let's celebrate together. If you don't know what that is, exclamation point WOTW in the chat, or exclamation point wins to see a video. So my win is my oldest daughter. I had to pick her up yesterday early from school because she was feeling sick. But the win is she's feeling better today and towards last night. Seems to have been just like an upset stomach. We thought maybe a stomach bug. She ended up getting a little more sick, like puking, but like not a lot, like a very little bit. So don't quite know exactly what it was, but I'm glad that she's feeling better. What's up, the Cyan God? Good to see you. Not much, Cyan. I was just talking about wins of the week, so if you have one to share, drop it in the chat. We'd love to celebrate with you.
Welcome in and thanks for joining today, Code with CN.
And Code with Sean, good to see you. Hello, sir. We're going to be getting into the word games pretty quickly because I have lunch already. It's earlier than usual. So yeah, my win is my oldest daughter. She's feeling much better. She's still home today. We thought it'd be best to keep her home. And that kind of thing. Another win, but also kind of like financially not a win. Our dishwasher and microwave are now completely broken. And I think I shared with you all a while ago that we had redone a while back, like earlier in the year, beginning of the year, we got our kitchen redone, which was great. Really happy about that. But our appliances don't match the new style of the kitchen. So we'd always planned on getting new appliances at some point. We're kind of just spreading it out, the expenses of that. However, because the dishwasher is completely kaput and now the microwave is completely kaput, we're like, all right, we gotta just bite it. Bite the bullet is the expression we use in America, right? Where we're like, all right, we're just gonna have to buy the updated appliances like we said we were gonna do. It's just sooner than later than I thought. So anyway, the point I'm getting at is I'm feeling financially stressed a little bit, in the sense of like the expenses that are coming in. Like I had to get work done on my car. My wife's car is starting to have some problems, and it feels like it's like when it rains it pours type of situation. Like everything's happening all at once instead of being like kind of spread out. So, but the win I'm saying is we're getting new appliances. So I'm happy about that. We'll see how it goes. And yeah, a win on making progress is kind of what I'm thinking. I'm just spitballing here on thoughts of like things that I'm grateful for that we're able to do that. I'm grateful for that. Grateful to be alive and awake. I'm proud of, like, I feel like I'm growing as a parent a little bit too. So I'll count that as a win. I'm reading pretty much daily a couple pages out of this book. And I'm really enjoying it. When I first started reading it, I wasn't too into it. And then as I went on, I've been enjoying it more and more. And there's like definitely, so it's very much like I've shared with you all before in the past, the Daily Stoic, which is a book that I have read once through, and I'm probably about like, I don't know, quarter or halfway done with that for a second time, but I stopped that and strictly focused on this Daily Dad one that I got. And it's very similar to the Daily Stoic, but it's more geared towards parenting. And even though it says Daily Dad, it's for moms or dads, so feel free to share it or get it as a gift for somebody, regardless of which parent they are, the dad or the mom type of thing. Any case, I'm really enjoying reading that, and it's really helping me kind of just level set and like try to get different perspective on the situations you go through as a parent. So I'm grateful for that, and I count that as a win this week. What else? I've had a lot of success work-wise going on that I'm grateful for. We've had a lot of, if you didn't know this, there's been a lot of vulnerability disclosures that have gone out over the past couple weeks. I think I talked last stream about the libwebp vulnerability and the blog post that I helped contribute to and write up for that one. But then there's also the curl vulnerability that was the update, the fix for that was just released 2 days ago. So I helped contribute some of that to the write up about that on like how do you update curl and on Windows and Mac OS and Linux and that type of thing. So those are all my wins. What are your wins? Success work-wise, just rub it in, Clarky. I'm sorry, Frackberg. Please don't take it that way. I'm all in for Clarkio contracting streams. What do you mean by that? Oh, so microwave/dishwasher installation stream? Oh, okay. No, I'm having somebody else do that. Plus, we need them to haul away our old stuff. So, we're doing all that. Cyangots as well. I built my first AI chatbot with Vercel SDK, so I think that's a win. Yes, absolutely. Congrats on that. Round of applause. What else we got? Kochon, good to see you, buddy. Welcome in. If you got a win, drop it in the chat. Frackberg, same for you, man. I'd say a win for you that I'm just going to put out there is you staying consistent with your bike riding and streams and taking care of yourself that way. Keep it up, man. Roy says, made a lovely app to send notifications from anywhere, from anything that can send an HTTP request. Super easy request, so I can do it by heart. Nice. It's so useful when waiting for git commits and such. Nice. Congrats on that, Roy, and thank you for sharing as well. I need to fix that too. So I think I might work on the chatbot just to tidy up some of the little loose ends that are going on. Like the applause is not showing up anymore. May says, I woke up every day this week. That's a fantastic win. Thank you for sharing that. And I'm glad you woke up every day as well, May. Crackberg says I did throw one in chat. Okay, I'm catching up right now. But yes, that's awesome, May. I'm grateful for that too. I've been thinking a lot about that. I'm like, you know what? I woke up today. Like that is a win to have another day. We take that for granted sometimes, I think. I certainly do. So trying to think more on that and be grateful about that too. Another win of the week that I see in the chat is from Frackberg.
Thanks for joining today, Militant Monkey.
Militant Monkey. All right, we'll catch up with you in a second there. Welcome in. Frackberg's win of the week is virtual cycling with the wife. Also, her trainer is just within butt grabbing range, so bonus win. Are you her trainer? Congrats on that, Frackberg. Thank you for sharing. Happy for you, buddy. All right, I think I caught up on all the chat messages there for the wins. Militant Monkey says, good, got a new greenfield. Bad, cannot decide on a managed Docker hosting provider. Hey, congrats on that, though. Thank you for sharing, Militant Monkey. No, her bike on the trainer is just close enough for me to grab, but not her. I got you. Okay. Congrats on that. Sign God says, yo, Clark, ever worked with PHP/Laravel? Yes, PHP, not Laravel. PHP, I dabbled in that a little bit as like side projects many moons ago, like probably around like 2011 timeframe, I want to say. I've checked out like some frameworks around that, like Cake PHP, What's the other one? There's like a fire one or a fire themed name one that it's escaping me. But Cake PHP is like the one that I took most experience with. Nothing professionally for PHP, just personally trying and dabbling. Frackberg says 19 years in and I still enjoy getting a good butt grab in when she's not expecting it. Dude, I can 100% relate with my wife. So. Butt grabs. Although I tried to like make sure it's like okay, you know? You got to do that, right? They're okay with it. I invite my butt to be grabbed by her too.
Welcome in and thanks for joining us, Adrian08.
What a conversation. Yeah, Roy. What a conversation. I mean, that's what we do here sometimes. Still family friendly. Sean 08, good to see you, buddy. Win of the week from Sean. 3 approvals on my PR, which changes where we get our Docker containers from for deployments, and 0 changes requested. Ooh, interesting, Sean. I don't know if you can divulge this, but where are you going to get your Docker containers? Is it ChainGuard? Because I've recently learned about them, and they are like very secure Docker container images and stuff like that. Frackberg says, look, I'm unemployed. Have to get the wins I can get right. In this case, very friendly. Very friendly. Yeah, buddy. All right, I'm going to get words on stream going so I can eat, because I don't want my food to get cold. So we're going to jump into that a little earlier than usual. Here is the mirror link in case anybody wants to get real-time updates on the game. I'm going to switch category to words on stream now. And we'll start playing. I have a real love-hate relationship with ECR. What's ECR? No, these are internal ones. In this case, ECR. Isn't that, is it ECR container registry? Elastic container registry? Is it Amazon? AWS Elastic container. Yeah, okay, I got you. Yeah, Elastic. Yeah, look at that. I was actually on something there. I actually knew it. I'm not that knowledgeable in the container space, but I'm like that through this project at work that I've been doing, the Big Fix app. Those of you who've heard me talk about it before, I'm sure. It's expanded my skill set a bit into the container space. You and your Microsoft life. True. I have not had to like really learn the AWS ecosystem that much, and I think that's what you say there is partly why. Coach Sean says it's the strange cousin of Azure Container. Yeah, ACR. So Max is now going to deploy from there. Okay. Very good. You should check out ChainGuard too, though, if you haven't. They're supposed to be like a security-based. Not supposed to. They are a security-based like container company. To be fair, I've not had any real experience with Azure. It's different and scary. Yeah. I mean, that's kind of how I feel about Amazon, AWS. A little bit. All right, let me share my screen. We'll get into it. I felt the same with AWS, but now I have a great experience and knowledge in both, says Coach John. Nice, buddy. What about Wordle? We'll get into Wordle. I just want to eat first, and like Wordle requires me to like have a lot of interaction and attention. AWS is the type of place you wake up in the morning and you're broke. All right, Milton Monkey. I could see how that'd be the case.
Thank you for the follow, Dafu.
Thank you. Welcome in.
Oh, hey Militant Monkey, thanks for hitting that follow button.
Appreciate it. All right, Frackberg, good luck, man. Keep it up. Have a good rest of your Friday and weekend.
Welcome in and thanks for joining today, Nezzy Nezzy.
Aver? What does that mean?
Thank you for the 46 long months of subscribing.
JT, thank you so much for 46. And with Prime Gaming, too. Appreciate you, buddy.
Welcome in and thanks for joining today.
All right, I finished eating. Trying to reset the camera. It's not like 30 frames per second anymore. I don't understand. Or 40? I mean, 60? When it should be. All right. Anyway, May, good job getting us here. Coach Sean, myself, Cyan God, Roy, Rugmat, Nezzy, Militant Monkey, and Frackberg. Let's keep it going. No, it is not what? Oh, yeah. 60 FPS, yeah. Oh, that might do it. Oh, yeah, it's much better. I deactivated it in OBS and reactivated it. Thank you, thank you. Thanks for confirming, Sean. N is fake. N is fake. Okay. How do you spell porous? There it is, porous. Somebody try sops from COVID, Sean? Oh, there we go. Got it. You blame finite. Why do you blame finite? Sour sop? What is that, Nezzy? I never would have guessed that. In a million years. It's weird that I'm still hungry. Maybe oops. It did work. Oops. Alrighty. Let's keep it going. Level 10. Here we come.
Oh, hey Nezzy. Thanks for hitting
Aw, thank you for following. Exceed. Nice. There we go. No G. G is fake. Use the letters I put in there. EXCEEDES. Nice job, Nezzy. Thank you, Sean. Oh, I just made that up. What? I have no idea. I just threw that out there. Sexed. You just got sexed. Is that past tense of sex? All right, Coach on 113, May, myself, Nezzy, Roy, Cyan God, Rugmat, Militant Monkey, and Frackberg. Thank you for getting us here. Level 13. Let's go. Let's go. Whoa, whoa. Oh, I was about to guess that. Nice. Advanced. ADVANCED. Use the letters I'm putting in chat. ADVANCED. Am I locked or something? Why wouldn't the evade work?
Welcome in and thanks for joining today, Kid Neptune.
Hey, Kid Neptune. Everyone's Friday. My Friday's going well. How about you? What's your win of the week if you got one? There we go. Nice job, Sean. Sean and Sean. Sean A. All right, next round. Here we go. Level 14. And here's the link if you want to get faster updates right there.
Welcome in and thanks for joining today, Danish Gujjar.
Hey, Danish. Good to see you, buddy. Did my bot fail?
Do you know 8 says oh hidden?
Yep. Look at these letters. A-B-I-S-O-N.
Welcome in and thanks for joining today, Thursday _ Barth.
Hey, Labarth. I guess it is a real word, yeah. Bonsai. Ah, I spelled that wrong before. Nice job, Labarth. All right, we're going to level 17 now. Big shout out to Coach Sean May, myself, Nezzy, Roy, Rugmat, Militant Monkey, Cyan God, Lebarth, Sean 08, and Frackberg. I thought that was a joke word. Oh, nope. Let's keep it going. Here is the direct link. Get quicker updates without a stream delay. Ooh, excruciating. Checkers. Oh, okay. Nice job, Rugmat. U is fake? Okay. U is fake. Use these letters. C-H-E-C-K-E-R-S. I put them in there in the chat so you know which ones to look at. Heck. Check. Oh, it's only 5-letter words or more.
Welcome in and thanks for joining today, Slukai _
The U is fake, though. Hello, Slowk. E is the other letter? Yeah. Checkers. There's a hidden E. Use those letters I'm putting in chat. A little bit more to go. 24 more points. We got this, chat. No! Alright, good try, good try, good try. We'll play again, we'll play again. Alright, big shout out to Coach Sean leading the way with 160, then May, myself, Nezzy, Roy, Rugmat, Labarth, Militant Monkey, Cyan God, Slow K, Sean, Kid Neptune, and Frackberg. We're going to play another round now. If you need the link for the exact game, get it updates in real time. It's in the chat right now. I just put it in there. Nice job, Social. S-O-S-O-C. Socials. Nice job, Rugmat. Well played. Maybe cows? Like calories? That was a guess right there. Aioli. I love aioli. All right, Milton Monkey. Good luck with work. Have a good rest. Thank you for joining us and playing. Have a good rest of your Friday and weekend. Thank you again for the follow. All right, next one. Going to level 3.
Welcome in and thanks for joining today, Quickman.
Quickman. Colorful, nice. Slow K, good play, good play. We're rocking and rolling now. Made that up. Corf. All right, we're skipping 3 levels, going to level 6. Continue. Here's the link again if you want to go to the direct access. Quicker updates, no stream delay. Man, this is a hard one. Yeah. All right, it was pretty good, pretty good. Slow K, myself, May, Coach Sean, Neptune, Labarth, Quickman, and Rugmat. Good job so far. Let's keep it going. All right, we got fake letters now. Oh, you just beat me to it. Slow K, good job. Alphabetically, a four-letter word between exit and teed. Iced. Nice job, chat. We got them all words that round. Big, big win. All right, level 11. Here we go. Here's a direct link again. That way you don't have to deal with stream delay. Open it up in another tab. Oh, we got. Uh-oh. I think the A is fake. Trigger. No, I think A is fake. Nice. All right, let's take a quick break before the next one so that people don't have to get stuck in ads real quick, okay?
An ad is about to start in 5,000 milliseconds. There's an ad running for one.
We're gonna pause the game here for a second because ads are about to come, so I figured let's just run them, and this will hold us over for another hour. If you're not getting ads right now, and you haven't shared a win of the week yet, drop it in the chat. Let us know. Would love to hear from you. Understand what's happening. Uh-oh. Temp. Oh, okay. I'm just checking on work stuff while we're waiting anyway. Two more minutes. Win of the week from Rugmat. Got to go home to see family for Thanksgiving. The Canadian Thanksgiving, congrats on that. That's awesome to hear. Big round of applause for you, Rugmat. Yes, Canada and their weird October. I mean, is it really weird? I mean, you think about our Thanksgiving, what is that celebrating? You know? Just saying. Just saying. I after this round of words on stream, I'll jump into Wordle, connections, and contexto, and then we'll get into the technical portion of the stream. Alrighty-o, Winslow's. Smallpox blankets? One more minute. Boom, boom, now. What the ba, the bang, boogie, boogie said the boogie should jump the boogie. Trying to think if I have any other wins right now. I don't think so. What else do I have going on? No, I'm not adding more cameras. I feel, well, another win from the beginning of this stream. I feel like I'm getting the hang of the foot pedal for the camera changes, by the way. Sean says, also another win of the week. I just looked at a design doc I wrote, and it only has 2 comments, relatively minor comments on it from senior people. That's awesome. Congrats on that. Love to hear it. All right, ads are over. Thank you for bearing with me on that. And now we can have a break from ads for like a good hour. So let's keep it going on to the next level. This is going to be our last run at words on stream, and then I'm going to get into Wordle, the other word games we play, and then we'll get in the technical segment of the show. Alrighty. Home slices. You've heard that before. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Wow, Rugmat. That was fast. CONCEPT. I gotta stand up. Got to get a little movement in there, you know? Got to see some more movement. Why is he flossing? What did I miss? I got a notification that I need to stand up. Now it says, you did it. Go me. What am I seeing? You saw what you saw, Roy.
Cares about your well-being and wants you to stretch.
Well, I'll count that as like a stretch. Okay, Rugmat?
Welcome in and thanks for joining today, Dubesman.
What's up, Dubsman? I didn't even play that round. That was the word, stretch. All right, nice job. Shout out to Rugmat, Slow K, May, myself, Coach Sean, Kim, Neptune, Lebarth, Quickman, Roy. Good to see you all playing. Thank you for getting this far. Level 17 is going to get tricky. It's about to get tricky. I was saying, nope, you can't count that as a stretch. Oh, well, I just did stretch though. I count that as a stretch. This is a stretch. All right, let's go. We got to work hard here. Shape. Slime. Why am I not typing? Slime. Helms. Heels? Okay. Blessed. Let me try blessed. Bless. Smelt. Same. Shame. Homeless. Nice. HOMELESS. Homeless. Homes. Moles. Souls. Yeah, there you go, Slowk. Souls. Holes. Shoes. Seems. How do you spell shoal? Lose is nice. I'm gonna head out. That was embarrassing the whole way through. No, it's all good, Roy. Oh yeah, what happened to the timer? That was weird. Oh, shoal is like that. SHOAL. I got you. Timer is broken. Yeah, I don't know what happened there. It got busted. All right, we're back. Everybody on the same page? Here's the link. We're gonna go to level 18. Are we good? Everybody there? Hanging in there? Girdle, nice. Yeah. I don't know. I can't think of anything else, really. Dealer? Dirge. That's a word?
Welcome in and thanks for joining today, Rugmatbud.
Song or hymn of grief or lamentation. Oh, dirge. Yeah, I tried glued. The U is fake though. Gelid. Yeah, that was pretty good considering there wasn't a lot of options there. We got 9 words. We're skipping 3 levels on level 18? Dang. All right, level 21. We're going to get real hard here, okay? Pay attention to the words that people use in the chat. We got to get the biggest word first, and that will set us up for success, okay? Here's the link. Go to this link. Open it in a new tab. ws.gg/r/bunch of letters and shit. That is the link to the game. This exact game for my channel, okay? You open it up in a new tab. Go open it up side by side windows, you know, something like that, right? You know, you can go like side to side, split the screen type of thing. Have the stream open in one, have the chat open in another. And then the game open in another. Bunch of letters, yes. Meeting in a few. I'll be watching until then. Okay, Sean. So let's keep it going, okay? This is gonna be a hard one. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, they do have the snap layout. Devour. What was that? Slow K got STAND. Rugmat got, I don't know if it was donates or astound. I think astound. Astound. Okay, okay. Sound. Nice job. Coach on. Why wouldn't donut work? Roy got donuts. Nice. Okay. Ooh, Rugmat. Stand out. TANDOUT. Hidden second T. Yeah. Good job, good job. Stout. Yep. I'm going to keep putting the letters in the chat. STANDOUT. Nice job, chat. A little more, a few more points. There we go, there we go. You got this, chat, you got this. One more word, one more word. Oh! Did we not have taunts? I thought we had taunts. Otherwise, I would have guessed it.
Do it! Just do it! Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it! Make your dreams come true!
You guessed it multiple times? Yeah. I thought I saw that. Maybe you were locked, Dubsman. All right, chat, do you want to play? I know I said this was going to be the last one. Do you want to play one more time? It's up to you. Or do you want to see me do Wordle? I'm so used to seeing it with delay. It surprised me when I got the word correctly. Yeah, I got to get to work. Have a great weekend, Coach Sean. A lot of people have to head out, so maybe we don't play words on stream. You always say, yeah, I know that, May. Yeah, I know you're always down. Big shout out, though, to Rugmat, Slow K, May, myself, Coach Sean, the Kid Neptune, LeBarth, Quickman, Roy, Sean, and it's Dubsman for helping us get to level 21. It's our best for today. All right, we're going to do the Wordle. Close this out. Nine plus 10. Ooh. GG's. GG's into Kid Neptune and May. GG's. All right. We're going to guess farts. There's just a T in there. It's in the incorrect position, so we're going to say... twine. All right, now we know there's an N and an E. Then there's a T. Maybe it ends in ENT, I want to say. So XXENT, like that. Like Blent? I guessed that yesterday. Okay, okay. Oh, why did I do that? I guess that's a mistake on my part, chat. I guessed a word where the letters N is in the same position as last time. That doesn't give me any help. However, we know the L is there, so it's probably something N-E-L-T. Nelt? Wait, wasn't this an old word? That can't be right. Wasn't this? That's not right. Oh my gosh, it must have been cached or something. All right, we're playing multiple. Refresh. Okay. Weird. You know, that's probably the same way I got to the word. I think that was yesterday's word, right? Wordle repeating words, yeah. That was yesterday's word. How the hell did that happen? All right, so we know farts isn't in it. None of those letters. So that's when I usually go like pound. All right, we got we got a U and an end. N. You opened the Wordle tab yesterday? I guess so. What's the word? I want to maybe not Dune. Funnel. No, it's too many words. Mold? Mound? No. Brian. Clark, yo. Come on, dude. Under. We know there's no D or R, but that. Unless. Unbig. Unhim. Unlip. Uncle. Wow. That was a good guess. All right, I'm going to drop in the Discord. Speaking of the Discord, here's the link to join and invite clarkio.com/Discord if you want to get in there. Play these word games. Share your results when you play Wordle daily. Lots of us in the community do that. I do it as well. We play Wordle, share our results in the Wordle channel, the Connections channel, which we're going to play in just a minute, and all that fun stuff. I tied Rugmat today, 3 out of 6. Good job, Rugmat, by the way. Dubsman got it in 6 out of 6. Whooped his booty. What else? And that's it. I don't think my mother-in-law sent me results for today. Only yesterday. All right, let's play Connections now. A game that I really don't like. All right, chat, you can play along on this because I really don't like this game anyway. It bugs the hell out of me. So if you've never played before, you got to guess. You got to group these things into four of them grouped together, basically, and you have 4 rows of groups. Horizontal rows. We got rhyme, verse, limerick. Would line be that or meter? What do you think? Got it in 3 just like me. Yeah, Rugmat. Tied you, buddy. Thank you, Kid Neptune. Lima Pinto Fava? Oh, for like beans? Kidney beans. Yeah, that's another one. Let's actually do that first. Lima Pinto beans, kidney beans, fava beans? That's got to be it. Yeah. All right, and then I think my other one was verse, limerick, rhyme, and line. Oh, what is it then? Meter instead of line? Nope. Those have to go together, right? Unless it's not limerick? What do you think? I feel like those got to go together somehow. I need to learn more English words, says Roy. I've spoken it for over a decade, and I feel stupid when I see you play these games, like that business one. I mean, don't feel stupid, Roy. Rhyme, rapper, verse. And line, maybe? Rhyme, rapper, verse, and line. Rhyme, rapper, verse, and line. Let's try it. Nope. Oh, no. We're one guess away. Rapper, meter? So, meter, rhyme, verse, and line. Poetry terms? Okay. May you feel no so smart? This game makes me not feel smart, yes, as well. Lagos is a place, right? I don't think that has anything to do with it. Meter is a poetry term. Okay, 1 meter of love. What the heck do the rest of these have to do with each other? I'm not seeing the connections between these. Meg the Stallion, Tyler the Creator, Chance the Rapper. I can't think of the last one. Tyler the Creator. Maybe it's Dude. Rapper Dude, Creator Lincoln. Those are all rappers. What's the fourth rapper then? Luxor? I don't know any rappers named Luxor. I was thinking Meg the Stallion as well. I know of Chance the Rapper, but that didn't come to mind, so thank you for that one.
Welcome in and thanks for joining today, Cardhouse_.
Oh, Card House. All the other words start with L? That's true. So is it Dude? I feel like it might be Dude. Should we send it, chat? What do you think? Do we eat it? All right, I'm doing it. Oh, we got lucky. Dude, the Stallion, the Rapper, the Dude, the Creator. What's the Dude one though? All right, we did it, chat. Thank you for your help. What are these? What do we think these are going to be? Is it all start with L? Cities beginning with L. You were on to something there, Card House. You think you've heard of the Dude, Roy? No. L words. No clue. Yeah. Nice job, chat. Good teamwork. Good teamwork. All right, I'm going to share these results in the Discord as well. Again, if you're not already in there, you enjoy playing these types of games that are daily, you can send the results into our Discord channels that we have for that. I have a connections channel. All right. Last game is Contexto. This one's pretty fun because, I mean, it tells you got to find the secret word. You have unlimited guesses. The secret word is in the word number 1. And each word that you guess is going to get assigned a rank number, essentially, based on how the AI distinguishes it from how related it is to the number 1 word. This is the game that I felt really dumb. Hey, listen, you're not dumb. You're all welcome. Yes, thank you, Card House. All right, so let's go with like food. Okay, we're getting closer there. 463 away. Maybe cook. Nope, that's getting farther away. Maybe water. We're getting closer. Maybe a river. No. Maybe an ocean. Maybe dinner. Maybe lunch. Okay, we're getting farther away. Maybe the sea. Okay, we could try the sea. Not that. Maybe what else could, like, maybe specific, like bread. Start getting in ingredients. No, we're getting farther away. Maybe shower. You need a shower after you eat some food. I don't know. A lot of food stuff though. Yeah. Utensils. Let's try utensils. That word, did I spell it? That's how you spell utensils, but the AI doesn't know that word. Necessities. The bare necessities. Mother Nature's recipes. With an S? Utensils, like that? Really? I thought it was a C. That's like, oh, what is it called? The Mandela effect? This guy made a video about Pokemon cards. How many of you in chat remember Pokemon or know of Pokemon? Maybe you still collect Pokemon cards. I don't know. No judgment here. Table. Dish. Clean. Wipe. I heard that word before. Pokemon you've heard before? Okay. Watermelon. We'll try watermelon. Anybody in chat know about Pokemon? Sushi. We can try sushi. You know about Pokemon and the effect. Okay. So if you know about Pokemon, Roy, and anybody else that remembers Pokemon and all the different characters that there are, or the different types of Pokemon there are, do you remember the Pokemon that was like a snake made of rocks? What is the name of that Pokemon? Type it in chat. Send it in the chat. I want to see. Yes, Kid Neptune. Yep. However, I would spell it like this. Onyx. I always remembered it to be spelled that way. However, Kid Neptune, you hit it on the head there. Apparently, Onyx is spelled with an I. Hey.
Singularity just rated us with 40 viewers. Welcome in and thanks for joining today. Thank you for the 28 long months of subscribing. Finite Singularity.
Dang. 28. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Welcome in everybody from Finite Stream. Happy to have you here. If you're new here, I'm Clarkio. I stream about programming. Not unlike Finite Singularity, who's a good buddy. And today, I'm so happy to have you all here. This is awesome. And thank you so much for the raid, Finite, and the resub, buddy. Appreciate you. How's the OBS plugin work going? Thank you for the follow, too. Appreciate that. All right, no worries, Finite. Take a break, man. We'll catch up with you later. If not, have a good rest of your Friday and weekend, Finite. Welcome in, everybody, from Finite Stream. Happy to have you here. You're catching us in the word game segment of the show. We're going to get into the technical segment shortly, actually. This is the last word game I play before I get into that. So if you'd like, stick around for that. If not, totally understand. Thank you for joining on the raid briefly, and have a good rest of your Friday and weekend. Box. Yeah, so this game I'm playing is called Contexto, contexto.me. It's the last game that we play. Before that, we played Connections, which is this game where you have to, there's a bunch of words here, 4 times 4. There's 16 words, and you got to figure out how they are related to each other in groups of 4, basically. And then we played Wordle earlier. We finished that up, got it in 3. So that's what we're doing right now. We're up to Contexto, which is an AI-driven game. You got to guess the number 1 word. And as you guess, the AI tells you how closely related to the number 1 word is of your guess. So in this case, when I guessed water, it's ranked 395, essentially. So that's what we're doing right now. Are you calling me? Are you using that as a word for the game? Oh, no. For the word game. Neptune? Okay. Roy says, I guess furniture doesn't make sense with water, actually. Never mind. Yeah, no worries. So, and as you all joined, we were talking about Pokemon. I was talking about the Mandela effect. I don't know how to pronounce it. I didn't realize that the Pokemon that was that rock snake is spelled differently than I have always imagined it. And Kid Neptune knew right off the bat. For those of you just joining us, though, what do you call the rock snake Pokemon? Spell it, type it in the chat, send it in there. Let me see what you say. Because I feel like I've...
Welcome in and thanks for joining today.
Dang, Poodman knows it too. Am I crazy? I swear. A Pokemon, Frank. I swear it was always Onyx. Like I spelled here. I always thought that Pokemon was named that way. Spelled that way for that rock snake. And I was mind blown when the guy showed me in the video, or showed viewers, me being a viewer of the video, that it was spelled that way with an I. I always thought it was with a Y. Roy says he played Pokemon on Game Boy. Transparent. I did play Pokemon on Game Boy. Isn't it a stone? Yeah. I knew it was Onyx because I always thought Onyx is spelt wrong. Oh, Poodman. That's a good way to. Yeah, that's a great way to remember it. So anyway, that blew my mind when the guy pointed that out in the video, and that's what we were talking about when you all rated. And now we're gonna get back to the Contexto game. So we know it's related to water-ish, like not very. Until we start getting into the green bars, that's when you're kind of close. So we'll say cabins. Okay, we're gonna try cabins. Oh, Roy. All right, we're getting somewhere with that. Maybe like a lake. Cabin on the lake. A cabin. Woods. Forest. What else could be with a cabin? Logs? No. May I use some bower bones, or should I wait after the game? Let's wait after the game, whatever you're looking to do, Frank. Camping? Let's try camping. Nope. Fire? Ooh, okay. Fire's close. Marshmallow? Spelt it wrong? No. Yeah, kind of like a wood theme, right? Fire, wood, heat. Nope. Flare? No. Cabin fire. Rock? No. Matches? Okay, good guess. Hose? Like thinking firefighter? No. We tried forest. We tried wood. Cruise ship? I don't think that's related to this. I'm gonna hold off on that, Ray. Flame. Yeah, let's try flame. Nope. Cabin and fire. Wildfire? We could try that. Yeah, wildfire. Oh man, no.
Welcome in and thank
Ember.
you for joining today, Frackspace.
Thank you for that guess, Frackspace. Welcome in. That goes where I was thinking, but fire confused me. Yeah. Hot. Cold. Grill? Like maybe you fire up the grill while you're in the cabin. You know, I don't know. Let's try cruise. No. Sweater? Yeah, maybe it's something that you make with fire. Yeah, cabin. I get what you're saying, May. Cabins are cruise ships. It finally clicked for me. Proof? No. Cottage? Oh! Nice job, Frank. We're much closer there. We're 17 away. That's the 17th ranked word. Cottage. Chimney? No. Hotel? That's related. Apartment? Oh, I'm really close there. Apartment. Rent? What does fire have to do with that? Rental? Condo. Fire is so confusing. I don't understand how that's related.
Welcome in and thanks for joining.
Fireplace? No. Thank you, restarted though. Lodge? Chalet? Fire escape? Insurance? No. I guess your cabin could catch on fire, Roy. What could be closer to an apartment? Condo? Flat? What's other words for apartment? Domicile? House? It was house. It was house. Crazy. Nice job, May. Well played, everybody. All right, I'm going to share the results in my Discord. Again, folks, if you like playing these types of games and you want to join in and see how you do against everybody else in the community that plays here, join the Discord. We have the Wordle channel, Connections channel, and Connexto channel where you can share your results. And you see how you can compare. In terms of connections, Rugmat beat us in connections today, and we tied Rugmat in Wordle, and then Contexto. Rugmat got it. We beat Rugmat in Contexto. We got it in 56 guesses. Rugmat took 73 on that one. Well done, chat. Rugmat, I appreciate you abstaining from playing one since you already know the stuff for today. I'm way better at that one than the letter one. Yeah, no worries, Frank. All right, what do you want to redeem now, Frank? That could disrupt the flow of things.
Bucheros wants to dance with you.
You want to dance with me? You want your stretch for reals? All right, we'll do the stretch first, and then we'll do the dance, and then we're going to get into the technical portion of the show. Okay? All right, let's stretch. Folks, you can try this along with, 25K Bower Bones right there for Frank, but got to give it to him. All right, we're going to put our arms out like this, thumbs up, fingers clasped into the palm of your hands here, like you see how I'm doing, okay? You're going to put the arms parallel to the floor. You want to pull them back behind your back a little bit, just slightly. And then you're going to rotate your thumbs down. Oh, yeah. And then rotate them back up. You'd be surprised how that feels, okay? Do it one more time. Pudman says I have bruised ribs right now. I'm going to abstain from stretching. Totally understand, Pudman. Hope you feel better and those bruised ribs recover quickly. Doing that multiple times is interesting, yes. All right, shake it out, shake it out. All right, for carpal tunnel, you're going to push your hands towards each other. The back of your hands are going to connect. Bend at the wrist a little bit and hold it there for a few seconds. You'll feel that tension right there. Again, shout out to a former colleague of mine, Allison Krug, who taught that to a bunch of us at a conference one time. I want to say it was like Microsoft Build 2018. Somewhere around there. 2018, probably? Yeah. Shake it out. You remember that, Frank? I always give credit to Allison for showing a bunch of stretches for those of us that sit at desks for a long time. All right, I'm going to do another. Just clasp my hands, push them up above my head. And then behind my back a little here. It's a good stretch, good stretch. All right. Frank asked for dance time. Frank gets dance time. So, everybody here, if you've not witnessed me do the very awkward and uncomfortable dance that I do at the beginning of my streams, you're in for a real treat or a lot of cringe. And if you don't like it or anything like that, you can thank Frank F. Bucheros in the chat. Okay? Okay. Here we go. Get your emotes ready. It's a rare occasion we do the dance midstream like this. It's supposed to be reserved for the early birds. But, Frank, thank you for redeeming the dance, okay? This one's for you, Frank. This one goes out to you, Frank. Oh, I forgot I have the cameras unhooked. Pause the music. Hold on. I forgot I turned them off after the dance. Turn it around, flip it back, and reverse it. Okay? Pause, pause, pause. I turned the cameras off to try and, like, you know, reserve their energy and whatnot. All right, I think we should be good. Hey. Okay. And double check the other one. All right, now we got the cameras up and running. Okay. And cut. Claps in chat for Frank. I know, Frack's face. Awkward stares. Eyebrow dance. Those of you that came from the Finite raid, you know that eyebrow that you see from his emotes? That's my eyebrow! That's my eyebrow! Fist pumping like champs. It's hard to coordinate my feet switching scenes and my hand. Copyright Clarkio 2023. Yeah, buddy. 1901 to 2023 as I put my... That's what I put my birthday in as in forms. When they ask for my birthday in anything online where it is not necessary, seems excessive, my birthday is 1901 for the year. So copyright Clarkio 1901 to 2023, that brow. All right. Thank you, Frank. Those of you that feel awkward, uncomfortable, weirded out, maybe you left. You can thank Frank for that. All right, Frank. Are you pleased with yourself? You happy? Does that satisfy your request? You use 1980, Frank? Yep. I'm happy, buddy. Okay, good. That's all that matters. Rugmat, too bad only one redeem allowed per stream. There's a good reason for that, Rugmat. Rugmat, I want to give you an extra special thank you, buddy. I've noticed you, and Roy, too. Roy, by the way. Lots of folks, but you two in particular, the past several streams, showing up, hanging out, chatting with me. May as well. So just a little extra special recognition for you folks that it just kind of clicked for me, you know? So thank you for always being here as much as you can. Roy says, hey, I learned that you don't get banned for spamming. So yeah, there you go. You're amazing, my friend. Thank you, Frank. I appreciate that. All right, so what I think I'm going to work on now is, you know, I'm not quite sure. I do need to fix things with the chatbot. And I've been meaning to do that. And on days like this where like I'm going into the stream not exactly sure what I want to work on, I tend to lean on just going back to the chatbot. So I think that's what we're gonna do right now. Roy says, now my favorite bit. I appreciate that very much, sir. Very much. All right, I am actually gonna unplug the cameras again.
Wants to add a command.
I have a project for you, Card House. What? Hit me with it. Tell me more while I unplug these cameras. Card House, there? Are you just typing it up? Is that what's going on? Dad joke bot. I have used Icon has dad joke API to put dad jokes for people. Ah, I think Rugmat has a lot of that already, right, Rugmat? With your bots? The API can take an optional parameter of a word where it will try to find jokes involving. Rugmat has what? Dad joke. My dentist is the best. He even has a little plaque. Well played. Thank you for calling that out, Card House. We could add that in there for sure. For shizzle. All right, let me share my screen. Move back over here. So this, which was, let's update all this. Update. Probably will require a reload. Don't care about that. Let's reload. It uses Icon has dad joke API. Oh, it does. Look at that. How do you fix a damaged jack-o'-lantern? You use a pumpkin patch. Roy says, I'm a fan of them, but I also add Chuck jokes with them. Nice. We can definitely add that in there. However, what is that? I don't know what that is. Undo it. All right, what I want to do is I want to file open recent TTV chatbot, but in WSL. All right, let's do it from the terminal. I did want to work on this next release of the Twitch highlighter, but not right now. Actually, we need to go. No, let's open it up in here. What do we got? I always looked for a word like DJ Pumpkin. And if it doesn't come up with any results, it said there's nothing funny about word, which in itself is pretty funny at times. Yeah, it made me laugh just there. Roy says, I'll be honest, I've been using Visual Studio Code more ever since I saw you and started making extensions. Really, Roy? That's awesome to hear. Thank you for sharing that with me. I'm glad I could help. For reals, for reals. We need to do a git pull, I think. Pull. Clear that. All right. Git branch -a. What do we got here? Man, we got a lot of branches going on, huh? Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. I think on the live branch, the live version or copy that I have of this, migrate streamer bot. I was already working on this, so I should just use this one actually. All right, code insiders-r. Let's open up that instance of it.
Thanks for joining today, 94_Mosen.
Nice Boses, brother. Thank you, 94 Mosen. I don't want to open in a container right now. Let's control this. Yep. What's my status? What have I changed so far? I think I removed the use of text-to-speech, which is good. That's what I want. Wait, no, that seems odd. We're gonna undo that. What actually changed here? Listen, port. Why did I do that? That was weird. I wonder if this is up. github.com/clarkio/ttv chatbot. Let's compare. See where I left off on this. Oh, I already have a PR open for this work in progress. What changed? Let's get reacquainted. It's debugging. I don't know why I did that. Removing the fart command and the fart smoke. Upgraded WebSocket. WebSocket. Changed the voice for text-to-speech, even though we're getting rid of it. I don't know why it's there. A little... This dot on open. That was a change for socket.
An ad is about to start in
Socket.
5,000
Socket.
seconds. There's an ad running for 90.
A log on message. Okay. All right. So some things I need to fix. One, if somebody like Triple B comes in here and does scene, the scene command, that breaks things. So we need to go find that. We're going to go scene. Control-Shift-J. Collapse this, that. Oh my goodness. Find all references to that. Execute scene command. Scene to activate. All right, so I'm going to stop the bot from running. Also, I want to tell it to stop getting moderators at the beginning too. Let's do that. That's always been broken. It's on the server. Maybe it's in the... There we go. We can get rid of this. Assume first channel. That. Get rid of that. Now we won't get that message anymore. Ads are over. All right, thanks, May. think we got that sorted out. Remove requests to get mods. Let's commit that. All right. Now we want to test out this whole scenes thing. So what ends up happening is, let's run it. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. Okay, fine. That shouldn't be an error, but... Whoa. Look at all this stuff. This must be in the latest release of VS Code. What is the problem here? Unable to resolve signature of parameter decorator when called as an expression. Not assignable type string. Did it not build? Is that why? Alright, let's do this. Let's do RMRF node modules. npm install. Do a fresh install. It's taking a little bit. I wonder if I use bun if it'll go faster. Remove deprecated sneak. What was it again? Protect. Okay. Speaking of sneak, let's run the test. Ah, everything's fine. So, oh, no, not everything's fine. What am I saying? Oh, I gotta upgrade socket.io. Yeah, it's been lingering. Okay. Why does it say open source? No. It is open source. All right, running and building. Yeah, that's wild. That it just started working. everything's working. Oh, that's why it was zoomed in. Okay, so here's my overlay. Cool. And now if you do things like, you know, bulb purple, changes the overlay to purple. Bulb deep sky blue. It's running blue. Okay, cool. If I want it to be alerts. No, I don't want it to be alerts. Just leave it. All right, so if I want to do scene talk. There we go. We triggered what we want. So the message is talk. Let's step into this. Lowercase it. Scene based on an alias. Scene aliases that I have. There's main, camera, BRB, TED. Right, and if I step over that, is there a scene alias that matches what I said? No. So it's just message is message. Should change this to scene. All right, so this is what's happening. So then this dot scene list find. What's scene list? Let's find all references to that. So what that's doing is it's capturing through get scene list. It says OBS get scene list. Find all references to that. And when we connect to OBS, we automatically say get the scene list. And that's how we use that, populate that array. So if we don't find that, we come back, let's step out of this. That's where it throws the error. Cannot read properties of undefined. Reading find. Oh, scene list is empty? Oh. And then that crashes it. Okay, so we need to do like that for one to make it not crash. This is the way. So what would happen is what I'm addressing right now, in case anybody's wondering what's happened, maybe change your category. Oh yeah, good call, May. I forgot about that. All this time I'm in words on stream. All right, category change. Thank you. That would probably explain why certain things are going on where I'm like, where is the usual crew sometimes, you know? All right. So sometimes Triple B will come in and try to do the scene command, and it would crash because of that. What we just saw, it just crashed in front of me. So now we're fixing that bug. All right. So just doing this basically keeps it from throwing, like if this is undefined, which we need to get to the root of that problem, then it won't throw an error anymore about like, hey, cannot, like we saw here, cannot read properties of undefined. You can't read a property of a scene list that's undefined. That's what's happening. So that should fix that. However, I also want to change this to be like, okay, const scene name, and then we want to find a scene based on that scene name. Really, should just be like undefined. And if not scene name. Well, actually, what are we saying? We're returning any or undefined. Yeah, if not scene name. Oops. Return undefined. Otherwise, we'll return from the scene list whatever it can find based on scenes. And that'll give us the string, which then if we go back to what this is referencing, or of references to that, we're trying to get the scene to activate if we have... Speaking of Triple B...
I meant to hit the report button.
I was just talking about you, Triple B, and thank you so much for the 53 months resubscription. Appreciate that heckin' long time of support, buddy. I'm fixing that bug in the bot where you try to activate the scene. So, in this case, if that comes back as undefined,
Welcome in and thanks for joining today, bald bearded builder.
say logger log info did not find a scene with the name provided. That way we know that that's happening. Scene BRB. Yeah, you didn't. I mean, the bot's already stopped running. So there's that. But also, there's also, I don't know why I'm talking like that. This also should be checking if it's enabled. Which is very weird. Settings. Not gonna hide that. But I'm gonna hide my screen real quick so I can go look at that setting. That config. Scene effects enabled. Do I have that set to enabled in here? Yes. So I could just turn that off too, but FYI, bot crashed. Poop. Nope. It didn't crash. It's not running at all right now. Nice try, buddy boy. All right. So we do check if it's enabled before we try and execute that. Is there a camera command? Check cam status. Check command status. What the hell did I write here? That's silliness. All right, if user is broadcaster, execute camera command. Oh, what am I doing here? I'm basically setting it to on or off, essentially, I guess. I remove the cam command and then I see if it includes on or off. And then I flip the switch essentially. Okay, that's what I'm doing there. I figured that out quickly. That's good. And then we return it. So if I say want cam on or cam off, I want to enable it. That's how I do that. All right, and then if it's enabled, other people will do this. This.is camera command enabled. Find all references to that. And I always set it there. Okay. Cool. Okay. All right, I'm not going to dive into that. I had some thoughts on like, oh, well, I can work on changing the amount of cameras that we have and making sure that... no. Okay. Because my setup's not really in like a permanent state to keep camera numbers isolated and whatnot. All right. So we fixed that. Let's add that. Commit it. What did we change again? White space. Put that else there. More white space changes. And then this is the actual fix. So actually what I want to do is what calls this. All right, I was double checking that one more time. If it comes back as undefined, then we're going to log nothing. All right, we can push that fix. Blah, blah, blah. Bot crash from unknown scene name. But I also need to fix why is the scene, we need to figure out why is the scene list coming back empty. So finds, no, not find like that. Scene list. This.get scene list. Why is that coming back as nothing? Why didn't that work? That's okay. Oh, maybe because of that. Alright, let's stop that. Can I reopen folder in Windows? Yep. Okay. Yes. All right, we got to build it first. Okay. npm run debug. All right, should be. What is this long log message here? Something happened. Good. What? What? Login. Oh, and tau alerts. Okay. Something happened, chat. Did you know? Something happened. This is really good code right here. Logging that something happened. Excellent. Go me. Did not find conversion. Client is online attempting to chat. To detect the canal. Tau connected to WebSockets OBS. That's what I want. I'm not worried about Tau. Not worried about those Elgato Lights things. And this is all the Tau connection error message. All right, everything else is running good. Okay, but it didn't actually break on the scenes list where I had that breakpoint. Oh, because I'm not. Am I not debugging? Roy says best log message ever, right? Why am I not debugging here? It should auto attach, no? It like did and then crashed. Oh. That makes sense. Oh boy. That's why. Okay. We need to go to what? The heck is this? What are these changes? Where do these MP3s come from?
For gosh sake, watch your language.
I don't know if you can. You probably can barely hear those. I don't know. Let's just add them, I guess. Yeah, who needs a debugger when you got something happen? Yeah. Exactly. Come on, push the changes, dang it. What's the problem? Oh, it wants to sign into GitHub. Hold on. Okay, that worked. All right, so file, open recent, this one. Hello? Terminal. Let's remember these changes. I got to go into the effect service.ts line 314. Git checkout migrate aborting. Undo these changes. Try it again. This project's in a messy state. Why are we aborting again? Your local changes to the following files will be overwritten by checkout. What changed? Pull. Git status? Why isn't that showing up as like different in here? I'm so confused right now. Git status. Weird. Already up to date, clear. Git checkout. Maybe it's a maybe it's a WSL versus Windows situation. That's why. All right, so I need to come back into here. Effect service. I'm gonna go line 315. All right, and I just commented out all of that, I think. Remove TTS handling from bot. I'll leave that there in case I ever want to, you know, put it back, right? Okay. npm run build. Where are my breakpoints? I lost my breakpoint from earlier. We need to get the OBS handler. Get scene list. I want to see why that's coming back as empty. npm run debug now. Why isn't it hitting my breakpoint? It didn't hit my breakpoint. I'm running it with inspect on. Look, node inspect that. Oh, I gotta do inspect break. That's why. Good old times. What is my node version anyway, too? 20.18. npm run. What are my other options? Debug break. That's what I want. npm run debug break. Now we should hit the breakpoint. Where did it attach? Let's try doing it that way. Ha. No. Why is it coming back to that? How did we fix that last time? What did we do? We came in here. We rm rf node modules. Close this file. And we ran npm install. Actually, we could say, do I have bun on here, right? Oh, bun not found. Let's add bun. Let's add bun to the mix. You know, let's just throw more things in here in the middle of it. Bun.js. You're gonna love my buns. Install. Oh, because it doesn't work on Windows. I don't think. Yep. Windows subsystem for Linux. I can't use bun. Triple B, you still lurking? If you are, do you got a win of the week to share? By the way, I love your newsletter that you put out too. Come on, npm install. I think I need to just get rid of this Microsoft Cognitive Services stuff. I need to just cut a new branch, a new version of the bot. In fact, I think what I'm going to do in here, while that's all going, I'm going to tag what we're at right now. Man, look at everybody that's contributed to this over the years. 22 people. That's crazy. That's how long this project's been going. Alright, I wanted to at least tag that so that when I make a new this here, work in progress. That's what we're looking to do with that version. All right, finished. Clear. npm run build. Now I should be able to debug this. I hit my breakpoint, dang it. There we go. Okay. What data came back from OBS? Current program scenes, and then there's scenes. Okay, so it shouldn't be undefined anymore. So now if somebody tries to do the scene command, 594 on my way back to 25K. Scene. Scene main. Did it crash again? Oh, it crashed still. I thought we fixed this. Cannot read properties of undefined to lowercase in here. But scene should have came back undefined. Does it not have a scene name? Oh, that might be what's going on here. Scene BRB. Get rid of that breakpoint, I guess. Oops. Oh, it's scene name. It must have changed. Scene.scene name. That's why. Also on line 464. Oh, yeah, good call. There we go. Okay. Good catch. Good catch. It's very redundant. What is that coming back from? Is that something I did? Or might be this scene list actually that's causing that.
Roy Elise thinks you look dehydrated and wants you to drink some water.
Thank you, Roy. Appreciate it, Roy. Frank says, I thought you had a line thing. I do. I'm just not signed into it. It's not working. I gotta update it. None of this is working. I do have a line thing. It's just not working, Frank. I gotta update that. It's just the way OBS comes back with it now. It used to say scene. It used to say index and name and not scene index scene name. Or it might be the version I'm using too. In any case, scene main. Did it crash again? Oh. Shouldn't be undefined. Why would it not have a scene name to do a lowercase to? Is it permitted scenes? Okay, there it is. So it grabs it from my effects.json file, which is defined here. So that should not come back as empty. You know? That shouldn't come back as it. We'll put a breakpoint here too. One of these is called, well, if the scene name, why would the scene name be? It should execute this first, and as soon as that's false, it shouldn't even do the second one, right? I would imagine. But it's so weird. Why would scene name be undefined? Where was the debug console again? It was on 463. Let's run build again. Maybe it's not picking up the changes. runs the debug command, or script rather, and the debug script. Just, yeah, so it's not building beforehand. That's why. It's not picking up my changes. All right, now we got errors. Son of a monkey's butthole. No. Why is it giving me this error? What? Oh my. What the fudge did Copilot just do? No. Stupid Copilot. Why is it complaining about this? It runs fine normally. Unable to resolve signature or parameter decorator when called as an expression. Argument of type undefined is not assignable. Maybe I need to pull in this inject. You got it right there. The type is right here. Service identifier. Or function. That's the type. This is where I get pissed off at TypeScript. Just ignore this problem. Stupid. Where is it where it's like... Should be good now. I'm gonna step out. Get rid of this breakpoint. It should not crash anymore. I think it was just not picking up my changes. No! Oh, unhandled promise rejection. Okay, so that's different. I was like, no! Not connected to server. Okay. Did not find the scene with the name provided. Perfect. Okay, so it's not crashing anymore. And then this other stuff we got to fix still, but okay. I got it working now. Fix scene command crashing. From undefined. Commit that. Sync those changes. All right, the other thing is I want to stop linking up to Tau. So we got to go into, I think, server. Or no, index. Tau. Is that not being used, that socket? Get rid of that.
An ad is about to start in 5,000 milliseconds.
Okay. We are using it.
There's an ad running for 150.
All right, we're removing use of tau there. Do I not have under my dev dependencies at type csurf at types express? Why is it complaining? I don't know about the types. Some BS, man. Why is that there? This project's driving me nuts. This is why I'm trying to get away from it. Is declared, but its value is never used. Yeah, so. I want to keep it. Just leave it alone. Ignore this. Why would that stop my shit from building?
Welcome in and thanks for joining today, Ryan Braganza.
You hate that tsconfig rule, Ryan? Yeah, same. Like, if it's a warning, it's a warning. You shouldn't stop this from building. Okay. It looks like we cleaned up a lot. A lot is fixed up now as a result of that. So the one thing to check is, like, fart should only play once. Incorrect. So I gotta figure out where that's effects manager. Effects service, which I'm in. Commands. Check for command. Is it an effect command? I forgot about that one. It shouldn't get the fart one though, I thought. Effects JSON. Fart. There's juicy fart. There's still juicy fart. Those are the only ones. So where is it getting this? Why is it playing twice? What's playing twice? If I don't...
Welcome in and thanks for joining today, Villard.
There you go, Villard. That worked. If I do it now, it should just play once. Yeah. From the... So what I use is I have StreamerBot, which is this. It has a command that's a fart command, and it just plays the fart sound. Actually, is it doing that? Where's my action? Fart. Yeah, it is playing the fart sound, and it's doing the fart effect for me. See? So I have an action with sub-actions, which changes the scene input group, camera group with effects, effects fart. Villard, you say my stream is delayed. You might need to refresh then. I don't know if there's anything I can do on my end about that. Why isn't this? Oh, that's why. You're muted just now, but visual. Yeah, yeah. No, it's because of the scene I was in. That's why. There we go. I fixed that. Head pat. This is why all this wasn't working. I gotta switch it to the Sharp Desk one, which is my main computer. All right, so now if we do fart, that works. If you do head pat, yay, I get a head pat. If you want to smack me, oh. If you want to give a high five,
3, 2, 1.
try that again.
3, 2, 1.
Now, does that work on my main scene too, though? Should.
3, 2, 1.
Just comes out of the wrong side, though, which is fine. But now it's working again. So if Yanni does the high five like he always does, then it should work again. Okay. I didn't... OBS testing. Applause, main scene. This is why this hasn't been working. Good thing I took the time to go through this for this stream today. I'm actually fixing it all. All right, so now if I do applause. Okay, maybe not. Why isn't that working? Oh, I can make it a YouTube message too? I want to try that. It's enable, include. I'm going to make it so fart can be anywhere. So I could say something, something, exclamation point, fart, da 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 da. That worked. Okay, so why doesn't applause work though? Oh, because it's saying vertical cam? No. Yeah, FX crowd applause. Which should be this. Make it visible. Play the audio. Make it hidden. What scene am I on? Oh, because I'm on cam left. Duplicate. Call it main scene cam left, which is not really the case, but that one. Whoops. All right, now. Why isn't that working? How do I tie the command to an action again? I forget. Triggers. Oh, that's why there's no trigger. Wait, how did I do the trigger for fart then? Glad you're all practicing. Commands. Command triggered, yes. That's how I gotta do it. Group, trigger, add trigger. Where are the commands in? Oh, commands. Command triggered. Applause. Core command. You can see I'm still like learning this, huh? Applause. Command triggered. Applause. All right, so now there we go. Now it sounds hello? What the? Oh, my mic's here. When I'm over here, the sound, my mic is added. But when I'm over here, when I switch to the other side, which is another scene, it like loses my mic. I don't know how that happened. Audio and mic. Oh, something must have muted my mic, I guess, then. All right, I fixed that. Now you can hear me in this one. I don't know why it's not hiding it, and why is it playing in multiple places? That's why, chat. This was set up to hide my mic source. It was set. I don't know how that happened. And that's why it wasn't going away. All right, so now if I do this. And it went away. Now, the thing I need to figure out is like why the bot is not running there. Bot's not running here. Why does it sound like there's two applauses playing? Is it because I have this open? That might be why. Or, you know what it is? The alerts. My alerts overlay is the thing that plays the sound in OBS for me. Toasty. Thank you, Rugmat and May, for helping me figure that out, because that would have been bad if I did that and left it for so long. Kid Neptune says you were muted just now, but visuals work. Thank you, Kid Neptune, from that earlier. Viller, did you happen to refresh? Maybe it's fixed now? Fart plays good. Fart is playing good. That's good. We got all that working again. Toasty's not going to work. So some of them are not going to work right now, Rugmat, because I don't have the bot running that plays the other sound effects. I'm slowly moving away. So here's the thing. That's why the branch name is called Migrate Streamer Bot. I'm slowly moving towards having everything encapsulated into Streamer Bot, which is a free tool. And anything that's really unique, I'll keep in my bot. So things like, well, once I turn it back on, like the Clarkio shadow, which would take create a shadow behind me and to a color that you choose. I haven't had that channel point redemption working or on in a long time, to give you an example. Or like flashbang, although flashbang I probably don't need for this either. So I'm slowly migrating things out of my actual bot that I built all this stuff on for years and getting into something more packageable, if you will, more portable, is the way I'm kind of putting it. So, because to me, it's more sensible to work with a tool like StreamerBot that has more robust controls. Like, it has a more robust connection into different streaming services, not just with Twitch, where my bot is just focused on Twitch. So as an example, like, we could actually, that's something I want to try right now. So like the fart command, I want to test that out over on YouTube. Although, am I connected? I'm not right now. All right, so I'm going to connect that. Let me hide my screen real quick. Bear with me a moment here. Signing in, signing in. StreamerBot would like to select what StreamerBot can access. See, edit, permanently delete your YouTube videos, ratings, comments, and captions. I don't know what it needs permission to. Be able to read the chat. View and manage your videos, playlist. View your videos and playlists. View your YouTube activity. This app wants permission to do anything you can do on your YouTube account. For example, it will be able to see, edit, and delete your videos, playlists, subscriptions, rate videos, as well as post, edit, or delete your comments and captions. No, I don't want it to do any of that. Uh-oh. Did not receive authentication response from YouTube within 60 seconds of boarding. Okay. I'm going to say just view your YouTube account. Token for YouTube has incorrectly number of scopes. Try authorizing again. Well, how many scopes do you need, Home Slice? I guess they need all of it. Let's try. I don't like giving them the keys of the world, but okay. It chose the wrong channel. No. No bueno. No. It's interesting, the quality. Oh, Soham and Alfredo. Welcome in over on YouTube. I'm just seeing those messages now. They think it's pre-recorded. What's up? No reply? Is it pre-recorded video? Why you're not replying? Last hi, to be honest. Hello from Angola. I've been neglecting YouTube. My bad. That's kind of a bummer experience. Garbage, Rugmat? Garbage. I'll try... Oh. Forget that account. Sign in with another one. I know you can't see my screen, sorry. I have to do this so I can hide details that need to be hidden. Okay, I think I got the right one now. Yes. All right, so the test is... I think I could share my screen now. All right, the true test here is if fart will get triggered by... We have YouTube message. So if I come in here and I go fart. That didn't work. But if we do it in Twitch chat, it does work. Very weird.
Thank you for the follow, Chevalier 2Ds.
Hey, thank you. Appreciate that, man. I guess it's not realizing that I'm live. This is my broadcaster account, Clarkio. It's not picking up the stream info. Is it because I have it as a separate event or something? Oh, look at this. I can see chat. Test. Dude, I didn't know StreamerBot did this. Test. YouTube.com/Clarkio/live. Yeah. It's not like connecting to... Maybe I need to like... It's saying it's connected to YouTube broadcaster. Hey, May. Good to see you over on YouTube. So I can't see chat messages on both, but I can read, I can send messages to both through this. This is kind of cool. I didn't know I could do this. Okay, ClarkyOBot went over to Twitch, but it didn't go to YouTube. I wonder what the problem is. It's saying it's connected. I don't have a bot account. Do people have bot accounts on YouTube too? It's weird that it's saying it's connected. It's connected for a Twitch bot, Twitch broadcaster, YouTube broadcaster. Do I need to create a YouTube bot? Alright, I'm going to hide my screen again and see if maybe that helps. I think because I'm streaming as an event on YouTube instead of as just a standard broadcast, that might be part of it. I wonder if I stop the stream and just start streaming straight up to YouTube. That'll work. All right, before I do that though, let's try one more test message. Yeah. Very weird. I do want to support YouTube, you know? Make sure it's the same experience on both. All right, chat, I'm going to stop the stream and then start it up again to see if maybe that fixes things. Okay, so just don't go anywhere. Stick around. I'll be right back.